All right, let's be real for a sec. 2025 just started, and I know most of you are already thinking, this year, I'll do better. But here's the truth. None of that is gonna happen if you don't lock in on this one habit. So, what's the habit? Consistency. Yeah, I know you've heard it a million times, but hear me out. Most of us get hyped up for a week, maybe two, and then poof, back to Netflix binges and scrolling TikTok. Sound familiar? The problem isn't that you don't try. It's that you stop too soon. Pick one thing you want to crush this year. Just one. Don't try to change your whole life overnight. That's a trap. Whether it's working out, saving money, or learning a skill, and if you don't know where to start, I've got you covered. My free ebook, Freelancing 101, is linked in the description. It's packed with actionable steps to kickstart your freelancing journey, even if you're a complete beginner. No excuses. It's literally free. Step 2. Commit daily. Here's where it gets real. Whatever habit you choose, you do it every single day. Good mood or bad mood, you show up. Even if it's ugly, even if it's sloppy, you get it done. Because the secret? Discipline is what gets results, not motivation. Motivation is like that flaky friend who hypes you up but disappears when it's time to work. Step 3, track your wins. Get yourself a notebook, an app, or even just a piece of paper. Every day you do the habit. Check it off. Seeing those little wins stack up hits different. And when you're tempted to quit, you'll look at that streak and think, nah, I'm not breaking this. Step 4, reward yourself. Listen, you're not a robot. Give yourself some love when you stick to the habit for a week or a month. It doesn't have to be big. Maybe treat yourself to your favorite snack or watch an episode of your favorite show guilt-free. Rewards make the grind fun. So here's the deal. 2025 won't magically be your best year just because the calendar flipped. It'll be your best year because you decided to show up consistently for the things that matter. Start small. Grab my free ebook if freelancing's on your radar. Stay consistent, track your progress, and reward yourself. That's it. That's the cheat code. But remember, don't just watch this and forget it. Take action today. You got this, fam.